Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna talk about how to deploy SD-WAN in the FortiGate firewall. So SD-WAN means the software defined wide area network. This is basically used for application based routing purposes and load balancing purposes. So if I explain the setup, we have the LAN network with two Windows PCs and another Windows server, and also we have three ISP routers, so we can manage traffic uh, based on these three ISP links. So if we go into the firewall, these are the interfaces I have configured already. This is the ISP1, this is another ISP, this is our management port, this one, and this is our LAN network with two VLANs, and this is another ISP router. So if you need to know how I connected to the GUI using this management cloud in the UNG, please watch my previous video. I have explained every step in that video to set up this lab setup in the UNG. So let's start with the configurations. First, you need to go into the SD-WAN zones. Please note that the newer versions of the FortiGate might be different to this GUI preferences. It has SD-WAN in one rule, and inside that you can find all these three SD-WAN zones, SD-WAN rules, and performance SLA. So first you need to add the ISP links to the SD-WAN zone. So we can do that by SD-WAN member, add the interface you want, add the gateway of that ISP. Gateway means the next hop IP. So if you choose this IP, the gateway is the 145.45.45.1. Let's choose the other one. No, it's fine. 145.45.45.1. You can see that added ISP in here. Add another interface to here, this ISP, and its gateway is 135.35.35.1. which is this one. First, let's check on these routers if we have configured the IPs correctly. Go into the enable mode and then configuration mode. Do show IP interface brief command. We have the IP configured on this port E00, so no issue. Let's go into the other router. Here we haven't assigned the IP, so go into that interface. IP address is 145.45.45.1 and the subnet is 250. It is a 30/30 IP, so the subnet should be 252. Okay, that is all we have to do in the router. Make sure you save the configurations. we can ping the gateway of that router. Okay, now you need to configure the SD-WAN rules. I will make this rule name as HR YouTube. So what I do is I need to the people in this LAN network, if they access in the YouTube traffic will only go through this ISP link, which is CS. So the source address should be the HR LAN address 10.40.0, this one. Choose the destination application as YouTube and select all of this. So what I need to do is choose the LCS ISP. You can do that by choosing the IS link you need, and so that is all it. You can now save the configuration. I will create another policy for the other traffic. I will make it name HR Internet. Destination is all, and to do in here I will choose the best quality option and assign the both ISPs. In here you can choose the SLA profile. SLA profile is used to measure the quality of the link. So the best quality will be measured according to that SLA profile. So you can create something like this to ping 888 the Google server or all SD-WAN members. So it will look into these parameters: the packet loss, latency, jitter, and the most quality link will be used to pass the traffic. Okay. Also make sure you edit this static route to your newly created SD-WAN zone. So in here you need to choose that created zone SD-WAN and click OK. In here you can configure the weight you put into the each link. So in here it will load balance between the two links in equal amount, 50-50. If you need more traffic to go in link port 5 ISP, you can make it 3 and the LCS WAN as the 1. In here I will choose 1 as I want both links to be load balance in equal amount. Next you need to edit your firewall policy. Now we need to choose the SD-WAN zone here, which is the virtual WAN link. The incoming interface is the HR VLAN, as it will come through this interface, and the source is all, destination is all, enable NAT. So that's it. You can now click OK and save the configuration. Okay, that is all you need to do, and now you can check the internet connectivity of your LAN network. we have the internet access. Okay. Also we can trace route command to see which link it is using to pass the traffic. So it is using this ISP 145.45.45.1. The benefit of here is, even if something happened to one of your links, it will quickly change the traffic to the other link, and you will have that what you call it, that extra the kind of high availability setup within your network. So we can check it by disabling this link, which is currently using the 145.41. So we can disable it by in interfaces. And now you can check your internet access again. As you can see, we still have the internet access. This is slow due to my machine's hardware performances, so nothing to do with the network setup. So if we run trace route command, you can see that it will be using the other link. See, it is using 135.35.1, which is this link. So that is all what I want to do today. We can also check the logs details. We haven't produced any traffic, so it is not showing. You can see the rule is hit. So yeah, if you have any question, please comment below. I will answer those questions as much as I can. So let's meet from another video with another very interesting topic. So goodbye and take care.